Struggling with belly fat despite endless cardio? The secret might not be on the treadmill, but in your fruit bowl. Science shows that certain fruits are surprisingly powerful tools for targeting belly fat, working in ways your daily run simply can't. In under 3 minutes, we'll break down how eating the right fruits can help you burn more fat with less effort by controlling hunger and activating your body's fat-burning machinery. This could completely change how you approach fat loss. For years, we've been told to run for hours to lose belly fat, but cardio is inefficient for fat loss on its own. You can burn a few hundred calories in a tough workout, but wipe it out with one sugary drink. The real key isn't just burning calories, it's creating the right metabolic environment for your body to let go of stored fat. And that's where fruit comes in. 1. Fiber for fullness. Soluble fiber in apples and pears keeps you full by slowing digestion. This crushes cravings and helps manage hunger hormones. Studies even show a 10-gram increase in daily soluble fiber is linked to a 3.7% drop in belly fat gain over time. 2. Vitamin C for fat burning. Vitamin C found in oranges and strawberries is vital for making carnitine, a compound that transports fat to be burned for fuel. Research found people with low vitamin C burn 25% less fat during exercise. 3. Gut health for metabolism. Slightly green bananas have resistant starch, which feeds good gut bacteria. These bacteria then create compounds that boost your fat-burning metabolism and lower inflammation. 4. Hormonal balance. Fruit also fights stress-related fat. Bananas contain magnesium to help lower the stress hormone cortisol, while berries are packed with antioxidants that reduce fat-storing inflammation. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more science-backed health tips every week. So, what should you eat? 1. Grapefruit. Studies link it to smaller waistlines and better insulin control. 2. Apples, full of pectin fiber to keep you feeling full. 3. Berries, loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and belly fat. 4. Slightly unripe bananas, for metabolism-boosting resistant starch and stress-fighting magnesium. 5. Watermelon, hydrating and contains an amino acid that may aid fat metabolism. To maximize the benefits, always choose whole fruit over juice to get the fiber. Try eating fruit before a main meal to reduce your overall intake. Pair it with protein, like nuts or Greek yogurt, to stay full even longer, and rotate your fruits to get a variety of benefits. So while cardio has its place, it's not the only answer for belly fat. Fruit provides a multi-level attack by controlling your appetite, boosting your fat-burning engine, and balancing your hormones. Stop punishing yourself on the treadmill and start using the smart, strategic power of fruit. The best tool for a flat stomach might just be in your fruit bowl.